Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 14th April 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for short-term income trade. That is nothing but daily income trade and hourly income trade. And also at the end of the report, we will generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. I kept all the videos in a playlist supply demand zone price action course. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. You click the link, you will get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training videos are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new video, we will provide an update in the channel. Now let's get into the report generation with the help of NeoStock software, supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. So the first report we are going to generate is a bullish trade setup for a daily income trade. In daily income trade, higher time frame is a daily, intermediate time frame is 75 minutes and lower time frame, that is a LTF time frame, you can also call it as a entry time frame, that is nothing but a 15 minutes time frame. So that is the reason why I am selecting entry time frame as 15 minutes. Because it is bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. And in the parameter bullish or bearish trade setup, in 15 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. Apart from that, I am also going to set 3 additional filters. The first filter is we don't want pierced zones. So we have a parameter called pierced count. This is the one, the last parameter on this page, pierced count. And that you have to set for your entry time frame. That is a 15 minutes time frame. I am setting the minimum value 0, maximum value 0, which indicates the zone pierced count should be 0. Zone pierced count 0 means the zone is not pierced. And the second filter I am setting zone achievement. As we land in our lesson 20, in the checklist, the compulsory zone achievement should have, a zone should have achievement, and that should be recommended is VOZ, violated opposing zone. And the minimum odd enhancer score, the recommended values are 12 for bullish or bearish trade setups. So I am selecting the value 12. Now let us filter. So 14 stocks are filtered currently which are supporting bullish trade setup. I'll be giving you few seconds time to watch this report. After that I move on to the next report. What you need to do, just pause the video. Taking this leg in, base and leg out, you can draw the zones. And how to understand this report and how to draw the zones on the charts using leg in, base and leg out, everything I explained in lesson 21. In lesson 21, part 1 video, I have explained about this entire NeoStock generated software report. All the abbreviations, what is each and every column, what kind of values they will be having, and how to use the column leg in and base and leg out so that we can draw the zones on the charts. Everything I explained. In case if you did not attend that video, please complete it. Then easily you will understand these reports. Okay, now I will move on to the previous page and generate bearish trade setup. So I am going back. So entry time frame is 15 minutes. Now we are generating a bearish trade setup for DIT income trade, daily income trade. So for bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in 15 minutes time frame, we have to select the value bearish. And remaining parameters what we set earlier, they remain same. zone is not pierced, zone achievement should be violated opposing zone, and minimum order enhancer score is 12. Now I am generating the report for bearish trade setup for daily income trade. So these 6 stocks are filtered, which are supporting bearish trade setup. Now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for hourly income trade. For hourly income trade, entry time frame is 75 minutes. Higher time frame is 75 minutes. Intermediate time frame is 15 minutes. And entry time frame or lower time frame is 5 minutes. So that's why I am selecting the entry time frame as 5 minutes. Because it is bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup, this time I am selecting 5 minutes time frame because that is our entry time frame. There we are selecting bullish. And 3 filters we need to set. The first one, pierced count should be 0. But this time the pierced count parameter, you need to set it for 5 minutes time frame. So minimum value is 0, maximum value is 0. That means zone is not pierced. And zone achievement should be violated opposing zone, VOZ. And the minimum order enhancer score should be 12. Now let us filter the stocks. These 8 stocks are filtered. Currently they are supporting bearish trade setup. They are supporting bullish trade setup. Sorry for my mistake. It is bullish trade setup for hourly income trade. So always you can search the search strategy. See here, bullish or bearish trade setup, 5 minutes, we selected bullish. And also entry time frame is 5 minutes. You learned all these points from lesson 21.1, that is part 1 of lesson 21. Now let us generate bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So I am going back. For entry time frame is 5 minutes. Because it is bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup, 5 minutes time frame, I am selecting bearish. And remaining filters are same. Pierced count 0, zone achievement should be violated opposing zone, and minimum order enhancer score is 12. Now let's generate the report. So 10 stocks are filtered. Currently these 10 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. Now we have to generate the last report. So far we have completed bullish and bearish trade setups for daily income trade and hourly income trade. Now let us generate entry buffers based on, not entry buffer, stop loss buffer. We have to generate stop loss buffers based on daily ATR. So I am based on daily ATR, I am generating. So we have generated for F&O segments and sectorial indices. Equity stocks listed in F&O. See, first 17 in this list are sectorial indices or few nifty indices also. Apart from that, remaining all are equity stocks listed in F&O segment. And 3% ATR you have to use for your hourly income trade, and 5% ATR you have to use it for daily income trade. So I keep on scrolling this list down. I'll be giving you only few seconds time. If you want to refer any of this stock, please pause the video. So this is the complete list. Hope this information will be useful to you for our further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.